Welcome to another episode of our podcast. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of distributed systems and remote procedure calls, specifically focusing on Apache Thrift. Now, if you've ever wondered how applications built with different programming languages communicate seamlessly, then this episode is for you. So what exactly is Thrift? Think of it as a lightweight and language-independent software stack designed for point-to-point remote procedure calls, or RPC. Imagine trying to send a package from New York to London, but you need to make sure both destinations understand the contents, even if they speak different languages. That's where Thrift shines. It provides clean abstractions for data transport, serialization, and application-level processing, enabling programs in different languages to share data effortlessly. Thrift supports an impressive array of 28 programming languages. So, there's a good chance that it includes the languages you're familiar with. Whether you're a Java junkie or a Python pro, Thrift bridges the gap. But here's a twist. It allows for non-atomic version changes between client and server code. That's a fancy way of saying you can upgrade your server while still serving older clients. Pretty neat, right? Now, speaking of upgrades, if you're ever curious about the intricacies of how Thrift handles versioning, there's a fantastic community write-up known as the Thrift Missing Guide, which goes into some detail about that. Definitely worth a look. Let's shine a light on the development aspects of Thrift. It's structured into several directories, like the compiler, implemented in C++, and the libraries subdivided by programming languages. There's even a tutorial section to help developers get started with Thrift. If you're looking to dive into RPC but don't know where to start, this could be your gateway. For those interested in building Thrift from source, it's good to know that you need to generate configure scripts initially. Simple enough, right? You just need to ensure that you have the appropriate build requirements. Oh, and here's a quick tip. If you're using Python and want to control where the modules are installed, setting the py prefix variable can save you some hassle. Now, how do you test if everything works smoothly? You can run a variety of client library tests right from the top level of the directory. The cross-language test suite is especially intriguing. It runs a set of tests that utilize clients and servers across multiple languages to ensure compatibility. Before we wrap up, let's look at the impact that Thrift has on software development today. It was inspired by earlier tools like Pillar and Google's protocol buffers. This evolution showcases how collaboration and innovation drive technology forward. So as we conclude this episode, remember that tools like Apache Thrift are not just technical solutions, but are pivotal in enabling seamless communication in our increasingly globalized tech landscape. If you're curious about diving deeper into Apache Thrift or have any experiences to share, I'd love to hear them. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of technology.